Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to discuss the third type of the equation reducible to a quadratic form. Let's have a start. Here in the third type, the type 3 is a reciprocal equation of the type a into x square plus 1 over x square plus b into x plus 1 over x plus c is equal to 0. It can also be written as means or this equation either this ax square plus bx ax raised to power 4 plus bx raised to power 3 plus cx square plus bx plus a is equal to 0. An equation is said to be a reciprocal, mean this equation is said to be a reciprocal equation if it remains unchanged when x is replaced by 1 over x, means this x will be replaced by 1 over x, then this equation remains unchanged. Let me see here. A into, we will replace x by 1 over x raised to power 4 plus b into 1 over x raised to power 3 plus c into 1 over x raised to power 2 plus b into 1 over x plus a is equal to 0. Okay, so it can be written as a over x4 plus b over x3 plus c over x square plus p over x plus a can also be written as a over 1 is equal to 0. If we will take LCM here, so here x4, this one a plus bx plus cx square plus bx3 plus ax 4 is equal to 0. 0 can also be written 0 or 0. So if we will use here x4, when x4 is cross here, it will becomes a plus bx plus cx square plus b x raised to power 3 plus a x raised to power 4 is equal to 0. So if we will rearrange it, a x raised to power 4 plus b x raised to power 3 plus c x raised to power 2 plus bx plus a is equal to 0. You can see that here this one and this one, it means we replace in this equation x by 1 over x, then we will check that this is unchanged, means this and this equation is remains same. Okay, we will illustrate this this type of equation by solving question number 10. Let's have a start. We will divide this equation by x square, x4 over x square minus 2x3 over x square minus 2x square over x square plus 2x over x plus x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 0. We'll divide each term by x square. Here now it will becomes x square minus 2x minus 2 plus 2 over x plus 1 over x square is equal to 0. Here we can rearrange it, x square plus 1 over x square minus 2x plus 2 over x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here it will be x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 into x minus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now if we will let x minus 1 over x is equal to y. If we'll take square on both sides, x minus 1 over x raised to power 2 is equal to y raised to power 2, then it will become x square a minus b whole square. It means a square minus b square minus 2ab, sorry, plus a square, a minus b whole square, it means a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into a into b is equal to y square. So it will become x square plus this will one cancelled, 1 over x square is equal to y square plus 2. It means here x minus, now we will replace x minus, because here we will put this y, here x square, replacing x square by y square plus 2. Here we will replace x square plus 1 over x square y square plus 2. Here we will replace this minus 2 into x minus 1. What is x minus 1? Is y. Okay, minus 2 is equal to 0. Here y square plus 2 minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 will be cancelled with minus 2. Here it will be y square minus 2y. Y square minus 2y is equal to 0. So we will take common here, y into y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 and y is equal to, sorry, y minus 2, you can say that y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Now we'll replace, again replacing this y, replacing this y by this one, y, because original equation is in x form, so we'll replace x minus 1 over x. So x minus 1 over x is equal to 0 and x minus 1 over x is equal to 2. We can also write it as here we will take the LCM x. Here it will be x square minus 1 is equal to 0 and it will be x into x square minus 1 is equal to 2 over 1. We can also written as here x square minus 1 is equal to 0 and here x square minus 1 is equal to this cross multiplication, because it will be x, when x moves toward right hand side it will be 0. X square minus 1 is equal to 2x. Okay, so this x square is equal to 1 and this one x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 1, we will take square root. Here we will take square root plus minus 1 square root, then x is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, so here if we will solve this x square, this one minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we'll take, here we will use factorization method. Factorization we already discussed in our previous lecture in detail. Here x, if we'll take x common, here x minus 1 sorry, here, sorry, we cannot factorize this now it is in the standard form. We cannot factorize this here. Remember that if any equation cannot be factorized, then any quadratic equation cannot be factorized, then we will use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. Here we cannot factorize it. Okay, so we will use quadratic formula to solve this equation, this quadratic equation. What is the quadratic? Here coefficient of x square is 1, so a is equal to 1 and b is equal to -2 and c is equal to -1. So what is the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So putting the value of a, b and c, minus b here, -2 plus minus under root b square minus 2 whole square minus 4 into what is the value of a, 1, and value of c is -1. So here 2 into 1. So x is equal to 4 plus minus under root 4 minus here plus 4, sorry, here it is 2 over 2. So x is equal to 2 plus minus 8 over 2. So x is equal to, here x is equal to 2 plus minus, it can also be written as 2 under root 2, means here we can say 8 can also be written as 4 into 2. So 2 here is 4 under root, so it will becomes 2 under root 2 over 2. So if we will take common here 2, it 1 plus minus under root 2 over 2, this 2. So here the solution set of this equation is plus minus 1 into 1 plus minus under root 2. This one. These are the solution set of this equation. Okay. Now we'll move towards question number 11. Here we will divide each term by x square. So 2 over x square plus x cube over x square minus 6x square over x square plus x over x square plus 2 over x square is equal to 0. So now it will becomes 2x square plus x minus 6 plus 1 over x square plus 2 over x square is equal to 0. So now we'll rearrange it. 2x square plus 1 over x square, here it is 1 over x, sorry, it will 1 over 2 over, so it here x square 1 over x, this one 6 plus 1 over x, here it was 1 over x, not x square. Okay, so here plus 2x square plus 2 over x square, here it is 2 over x square, this one 2x square plus 2 over x square plus x plus 1 over x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here it can also be written as x square plus 1 over x square plus x plus 1 over x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let x plus 1 over x is equal to y. If we take square on both sides, x plus 1 over x whole square is equal to y square. So it will becomes a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to y square. So here it will become x square plus 1 over x square, this x will be cancelled, so here y square minus 2. It means here x square plus 1 over x square, what is, we will replace it by 2 into y square minus 2 plus, what is x plus 1 over x, it is y square minus 6 is equal to 0. This is 2y square minus 2 2s are 4 plus y square minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, here what is 2 into y square minus 2 x plus, here sorry, it will be okay, minus 6 is equal to 0. Sorry, here it is not y square, it is simple y, because x plus 1 over x is equal to y. So this one minus 6, this one is 2 y square plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So we can solve this by factorization. 2y square, factorization is more easy, plus 5 plus 4, sorry, here this one is minus plus 5y minus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. If we take common here y, so it will be 2y plus 5 minus 2 common here y, 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So here y minus 2 into 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. This y minus 2 is equal to 0. This 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. There is y is equal to 2. Here y is equal to minus 5 over 2. Now we'll replace this, replacing y by y, what is y, actual equation is in x form, so y with x plus 1 over x. So here x plus 1 over x is equal to 2 and x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 5 over 2. So we can write it as 2 over 1. Here it will be x into x square plus 1 is equal to 2 over 1. Here it will be x into x square plus 1 is equal to minus 5 over 2. So x square plus 1 is equal to 2x, and this one 2x square plus 2 is equal to minus 5x. Here x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and this one 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so here it can be x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here 2x square, it can be factorized. Factorize is more easy. So factorize, if the equation can be factorized, then we will use the factorization method to solve this equation. This is a quadratic equation. So plus 4x plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here x minus 1 minus 1x minus 1 is equal to 0. This one we will take 2x common, here x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. This one x minus 1 into x minus 1, sorry, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 2x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so it can be written x minus 1 square 0. So if we take square root, then x minus 1 is equal to 0, square root, so it will become x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Here 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and also x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 1 over 2 and s is equal to minus 2. So it means the solution set of equation is x, this 1, minus 1 over 2 and minus 2. This one is the solution set of this equation. Okay, now we'll move towards type 4. Type 4 is the exponential equation. In exponential equation, variable occur in exponent. Now we will this exponential equation. Here we can see that question number 12, we will solve this by exponential. Here what is, we can write it 4 into 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 into 1 minus 9 into 2 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here 4, so no here we can, it's not plus, it's not a plus. Here we'll just, how we write it, when the bases are same the power will be added, therefore we'll separate it 2 raised to power 2x into 1. So here 4 2s are 8, here 4 into 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 minus 9 into 2 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 0. So let 2 raised to power x is equal to y. Okay, so here if we will take square on both sides, here 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 is equal to y square, so it will become 2. Okay, now we'll replace 2 raised to power x here, 8 into 2 raised to power x, so it will becomes, this equation become 8 into y square minus 9 into y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here it can be factorized, 8y square minus 8y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here 8y into y minus 1 it's y minus 1 is equal to 0. 8y minus 1 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. So here 8y minus 1 is equal to 0, this y minus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 over 8 and here y is equal to 1. Now we'll replace, here replacing y by what, y, here actual equation is in this 2 raised to power x, so here it will be 2 raised to power x. So y, what is the y here, 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 over 8 into 2 raised to power x is equal to 1. Okay, if we will 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 over, it can be written as 2 raised to power 3, 2 2s are 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so here 2 raised to power x 0. We can also write it as 0 raised to power 1. We can write it 2 raised to power 0. Remember that if any base means the power of any base is 0, then it will become it will be equal to the 1. So 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So here 2x, this it will be 2 into minus 3. So 2 raised to power x to 0. Here x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 0. As the bases are same, so power, so here the power x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 0. So minus 3 and 0 are the solution set of this equation. Now we'll move towards question number 13. Question number 13, here it can also be written 3 raised to power 2x into 3 raised to power 2. Okay, so here it is better that we'll move 12 into 3 raised to power x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so here this one 3 raised to power 2x can also written as 2 into 3 3's are 9 minus 12. Here it is 3 raised to power x. Okay, 3 raised to power x plus 3 is equal to 0. Let 3 raised to power x is equal to y. So here 3 raised to power x is equal to y square. So it can be written as y square 9y square minus 12y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so here 9y square minus 9y plus 3y, minus 3y. Here it is the quadratic equation, so we will solve this by using factorization. Plus 3 is equal to 0. So here it is 3y minus 1, 3y minus 1 minus 3, here it is 9y, here it is 9y is common, here y minus 1 minus 3 common, here y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 9y minus 3 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 9y minus 3 is equal to 0 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here y is equal to 3 over 9. 3 3's are 9. Here y is equal to 1. Now we're replacing this y with 3 raised to power x. So here 3 raised to power x is equal to 1 over 3 and here 3 raised to power x is equal to 1. So 1 can also be written as 3 raised to power 0. Here 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 minus 1. Here 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 0. Here x, the value of x is minus 1. and here the value of x is equal to 0. Now the solution set is -1 and 0. Okay. Okay, here now we'll move towards question number 14. Question number 14, here 2 raised to power x plus 64. We can write it 64 divided by 2 raised to power x minus 20 is equal to 0. When this is multiplied, when it is below the this, then it the power will be plus. Okay, so let 2 raised to power x is equal to y. Okay, now here y plus 64 over y minus 20 is equal to 0. If we'll multiply y on throughout the equation, so it will becomes y square plus 64 minus 20 y is equal to 0. We can rearrange it, minus 20y plus 64 is equal to 0. Now it can easily be factorized. So y square minus 16y minus 4y plus 64 is equal to 0. Y common here, y minus 16 minus 4 common, y minus 16 is equal to 0. Y minus 4 and y minus 16 is equal to 0. Y minus 4 is equal to 0 and y minus 16 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 4. Here y is equal to 16. Now replacing this y by 2 raised to power x. So 2 raised to power x, sorry x, here 2 raised to power x, this one 2 raised to power x is equal to, it can also be written as 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so here 2 raised to power x, it can also be written as 2 raised to power 4. Okay, so here x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. Okay, so the solution set of this equation, the solution set of this equation is 2 and 4. Okay. In our next lecture we will discuss the last type to solve the remaining question of exercise 1.3. okay, take care, Allah Hafiz.